If you've lost access to your Indeed account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Indeed login page. Go to the Indeed website and click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will take you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Indeed account in the provided field. Make sure it is the correct email you used when creating your account. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Indeed. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you have reset your password, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Indeed's customer support for further assistance.